Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use your Draw Assistant tool on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So with the Draw Assistant tool on your Samsung Galaxy device, you can draw anything. So a shape, a word, or a simple sketch, and the AI will generate professional level illustration, 3D cartoons, or graphics from it. So let me show you how to do this. So here I'll be using my S Pen, and once I remove my S Pen, you'll see this air command. Tap on it and then you'll see the drawing assist icon. Go ahead and tap on this. Now with this you can go ahead and get creative. So at the bottom you can go ahead and choose all of these. Go ahead and tap on this sketch icon and we'll go ahead and choose a pop art. So we'll go ahead and draw a car and then we'll go ahead and tap on generate. Now this will basically bring your drawing to life. Give it a few minutes, and as you can see, it has created a pop art with your drawing. Now you can go ahead and use text as well, and you can basically describe what you want to draw. So let's just say an egg sitting on a fence illustration, and let's just draw that. And there you go, egg sitting on the fence. You have different variations. Now, if you want to download this, you can go ahead and tap on this download button here to save it. You can copy it and use it anywhere you like. So it's perfect for creating logos, social posts, or stickers from scratch without needing design skills. Just draw, choose the style, and let AI do the rest. So there you go, guys. That is how to use the Draw Assistant tool on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.